Hey, hello guys, it's Muran Spaka here. How are you all doing? So after many days, I'm taking my Run 5 V4. So not like after many days. I have went to some short rides like city rides. So I escaped. So in between I went to some short sites just in the cities, within the cities. So so and forgot to say that to the new subscribers that welcome guys. This is all about biking stuff and etc. Recently I bought R15 V4. You can check out R15 V4 delivery in my channel. So now and thank you so much guys for subscribing my channel. That means a lot. So after many days I'm back into vlogging and speaking like this after many days, after like weekend hour and a half week like that. So right now I just came out for just for a motovlog and kind of daily observations, not exactly daily observations, just motovlog and observations of the road. Yeah, some people are staring at our bike. That is fun and something cool thing. So now I'm going just a short ride like a U-turn ride, not a destination. Whoa, Jaguar matte black, that's cool. So actually I have FZ V2, which is my previous bike. That was that is even a good bike, no doubt. FZ V2. So actually FZ V2, like I'll be using FZ V2 for my family purpose because it's a family bike. So this bike R15 V4 is for rides and tracks. Nice one. So while I was vlogging on my FZ V2, it was actually hard to vlog and like it was hard to speak like this, even at least, because that because the reason is I was really unconfident about vlogging and speaking on my FZ V2 because it is oops, I was late. So that's the past life of on my FZ V2. That was boring life, and I used to feel really unconfident in motorvlogging and speaking like this. So till I had done like 230 kilometers and I'm still waiting for 1,000 kilometers for the first service to be completed. If the first service completed, no. Okay, cool. If the first service completes, you can increase the speed. So previously, past a week, I actually asked my friend, one of my friend, that about the speed limit before the first service. He told that he can cross up till 60. I mean, till 60 before the first service. So what more he said is the dealers of Yamaha, like their plan is to check the bike from the customers, like if any problem arises in the bike, so that the customer can approach the service center and etc., so that the dealers and service people says to be in the speed limit before the first service and before the second service. So that's why, so that's what my friend told. So I gained knowledge from him. That's nice. And just look at him, man. Just literally parked on the road. So if you are watching my channel video, and if you have R15 before, you can share something about your reviews and a short review. So please share it in the comments section below about your R15 V4 experience and about like a short review. I'll definitely reply to it. So this is evening time. So gradually the traffic will be increasing. This is basically Hyderabad. So one more thing, that I did not use quick shifter till now, because my plan is to use my plan is to start using quick shifter after first service or second service. Mostly I'm thinking after first service. I mean, I did not start using since I took the delivery of this bike, because as the first service not complete, so we have to maintain the speed limit till 40 to 50 approx. So that's why as we keep speed limit and 40 to 50, in that way we can't reach the amount of RPM which we can use the quick shifter. So that's the reason I did not start using the quick shifter. So I just want to use the quick shifter after first service or second service. So I'm really using clutch shifting the gear. So hope I'll enjoy the quick shifter after the first service or second service. Let's see. So coming to these days and did not motor vlog. Basically, I'm student. So my biker brothers are doing job. They are really busy these days. Even on weekdays and Sundays. V3. So my friends are really busy on Sundays like that, and so I cannot make riding vlogs and motor vlogs and talking. Oh shit, what is this? So after many days I came to this ride again. It was like I said, I had went to short rides in within the cities with this V4 just to complete 1,000 kilometers, which was running slowly. So after the first service and second service, we can enjoy this R15 V4. Then we can check the power and the exact power of this bike. We can check even the, of course, many things we can check it out after the first and second service. That will be enjoyment for us. Yeah.
Red light.
So guys, that's it for today. If you like the video, please hit the like button below, and please comment about this vlog, and please share with anyone, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe my channel for more vlogs with R15 V4. I forgot to say that I recently bought this new keychain, like alien keychain, sorry. So that is nice.
Green light.
Please subscribe my channel for more vlogs like this, and thank you so much for watching, guys. Spread love and peace.